In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on Additional Settings available here. Now tap on Languages and Input, Manage KeyBirds and DigiBird. Following that, choose Corrections and Suggestions and manage all of those options however you want to thanks to all of those switches. This way you can switch them off or turn them on. Quick tip: when you add it, you can enable Suggestion Strip here and then launch your KeyBird. Thanks to this gear icon at the top of it, you can access the same section of your settings in a few seconds. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!